To draw an acoustic guitar, start by sketching the shape of the guitar's body. You can either start with a shape like an egg or a pear, or draw two circles side by side, with one being slightly bigger than the other. If you use the two circles method, draw curved lines on either side of the circles, connecting them together in the middle. Next, draw a long rectangle emerging out of the narrower end of the guitar. This will be the neck and fretboard. Make one end of the rectangle overlap with about the upper fourth of the guitar's body. Then, sketch in a circle just below the end of the fretboard where it overlaps with the body of the guitar. This circle represents the guitar's sound hole. Make another smaller rectangle at the opposite end of the fretboard to represent the headstock. This rectangle should be a little wider than the fretboard. Now it's time to start filling in details. Add a second outline on one side of the guitar's body to give it the appearance of thickness. And draw in details like the strings, tuning pegs, fret divisions, and pickguard. When you're done, erase any unnecessary lines or rough parts of your sketch. If you want, ink your drawing and color it in, or add some shading to make it look more three-dimensional.